Hello, hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Hampton Court Palace and Concourse d'Elegance. I've completely ruined that pronunciation there, but today I'm here to see a very special car. There is a lot of heavy hitting metal on show, which you've seen in the preceding B-roll. There is too much to cover here. However, there is one car I really want to talk through and show you guys around. It's very, very special, and I'm going to do a little walk around right now. We're going to go find it first and foremost, and then we're going to walk around, and we're also going to get fired up and listen to the noise of it. It is, of course, the Aston Martin Bulldog, which you will have guessed from the title and thumbnail. So let's head over then. To say this place is havoc is a complete understatement. The stuff on show here is absolutely ridiculous. Everywhere you look, there's just something potty. There's even a Koenigsegg behind the tree over there. On the way to go and find the Bulldog. This is Simon Kidston's Alfa Romeo TZ2. This thing is tens of millions of pounds, and it's actually the first time I've ever seen this before. A serious car. Anyway, we're not here to see this. We are here to see this. The Aston Martin Bulldog, ladies and gentlemen. They literally dropped this out of nowhere by surprise here at the show, unveiled by two Navy apprentices, and with good reason. There we go. Automated doors there. Very cool. The Aston Martin Bulldog was actually started by a chap called William Towns. It is a British one-off concept vehicle produced by Aston Martin in 1979. The code name for the project was actually DPK901, not very catchy at all. Initially a production run of 15 to 25 cars of these was actually planned, but the project was deemed too costly and only one was built, and you're looking at that car. Now, it doesn't stop there. This car was actually originally designed to show off the capabilities of Aston Martin's new engineering facility in Newport Pagnell, where they still are, as well as to chase after the title of the world's fastest production car. The car was originally launched on the 27th of March in 1980 at the Bell Hotel at Aston Clinton. Although the car was built in the UK, it is actually a left-hand drive. The wedge shape was actually designed by, as I say, the William Towns, and the car actually has 5 centre-mounted hidden headlights, which are under there, and I'll try and get some footage of the screen of those headlights actually sort of popping out, the thing kind of popping down and showing them. And you've also got the ridiculous gull-wing doors as well. Inside the car then you've got brown leather with walnut trim, and actually, as I said before, Aston Martin originally wanted to build 15 to 25 of these, but in 1981 Victor Gauntlet became chairman of the company and decided the project would be too costly. So the Bulldog project was actually binned. In 1984 then, this particular car was sold to a Middle Eastern collector for around £130,000, which doesn't sound like much, but back in 1984, 130 grand was a lot of money. That Middle Eastern collector then from 1984 actually added rear view mirrors and cameras to the car. It was then later sold to American collector, where it was sat around for some time. It then reappeared at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in 2009 and at Aston Martin's 100th anniversary. Subsequently, it was found in storage in the Far East and then went for sale in Britain. At this point, it was now green compared to the original colours of silver and light grey, which is what we're looking at now. It has gone back to its original colours since then, and it is now going to be involved in a very exciting top speed run. Mechanics at Classic Motorcars started work early last year on the Aston Martin Bulldog to bring it back to its former glory. It is now ready for test runs at a Royal Naval Air Station, which will ultimately see this 1970s hero being driven to its intended top speed of 200 miles an hour, a feat it never actually originally achieved. The car, as I said before, has therefore been unveiled today by two Royal Naval apprentices, and restoration project manager Richard Gauntlet and managing director of Classic Motorcars Nigel Woodward will be accompanied by the owner of the car, which is actually a chap called Philip Sarafim, and Aston Martin racing driver who will be attempting the top speed run in this car. I cannot wait to see that run. Everything is just so retro and cool, even down to these tiny little wheels here. Good luck if you smash a window, you are absolutely not getting parts for that. Interestingly, it's actually got privacy glass there. I don't know whether that's to hide what they've been up to in there, who knows. When it came out, Aston Martin claimed this car was capable of 237 miles an hour, but the fastest speed this car was ever recorded doing originally was 192 miles an hour, which is a little bit embarrassing. And for those geeks out there, the wedge-shaped design gave the Bulldog a drag coefficient of 0.34, and if you know what that means, you're much smarter than I am. So powering this thing is actually, originally it was a 5.3 litre twin turbo powered by two Garrett turbos, a V8, but now this thing's actually a 5.6 1.7 litre twin turbo V8 powered by 2 Garrett turbos, GT30 770s. So this thing is actually good for 770 brake horsepower, but they are saying that they actually probably will not push it that hard. So of course they're remaining fairly tight-lipped. I was grilling the chap here about final top speed run and final power output, but that's all they were willing to tell me, which is all very exciting because it remains to be seen. There's still more to learn and still more to find out about this car. I'm really, really pleased guys are still picking up cars like this, restoring them, keeping on the roads, improving them, and also bringing them out to shows like this for everyone to enjoy. So a huge shout out to the Classic Motor Company and of course the owner, Philip, who I suspect is around somewhere, but God knows where. But anyway, from myself then and the Aston Martin Bulldog, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this impromptu little vlog with this rather unique, quirky car. I've absolutely loved it, and this is pretty much the main reason I came here today, just to see this. Absolutely love it. Cheers guys.